In this video, I'll show you how you can add dropshipping to Shopify. What you want to do is go to your admin dashboard, click on Add Apps, go to the Shopify App Store, and from in here we want to select a dropshipping app. Now, the one I know the most is SendDrop, but there are many others like CJ Dropshipping and all of those. But I am gonna choose SendDrop, press install, and then I suggest you watch this little video to understand how SendDrop works. But basically what it does is, and it says right here, that you'll have access to over 1 million products. It will be auto-fulfilled, fast shipping, and you can also do print on demand and custom branding. So that basically means you don't have to do anything except finding the product from their options, and then you put it on your store. Then they're gonna automatically fulfill it whenever someone buys it, and it will be fast shipping and everything. So basically that is how it works. You can see who they work with right here: Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, CJ Dropshipping, all of these. Now, watch this, like I said, and you'll understand how it works. They have a free trial available, and it is also free to install. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.